Gut health has garnered significant attention in recent years, with researchers uncovering its profound impact on overall well-being. From digestion to immunity, mental health to chronic diseases, the gut microbiome plays a crucial role. However, recent developments in science and lifestyle trends have raised concerns about the future of gut health. Is this the end of the road for gut health as we know it? Or are there ways to navigate these challenges? Let's explore the decline of gut health. In today's fast-paced world, dietary habits have shifted dramatically. Processed foods, high in sugars, unhealthy fats, and additives have become staples in many diets. These dietary choices can wreak havoc on the delicate balance of the gut microbiome, leading to dysbiosis, an imbalance of gut bacteria linked to various health issues. Furthermore, the widespread use of antibiotics, while crucial for treating infections, can disrupt gut bacteria, often leading to long-term consequences for gut health. Antibiotics not only kill harmful bacteria but also wipe out beneficial ones, altering the microbiome's composition and function. The rise of chronic stress is another factor contributing to the decline of gut health. Stress activates the body's fight or flight response, which can negatively impact digestion and alter the gut environment. Chronic stress has been associated with gastrointestinal disorders, like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, highlighting the intricate connection between the gut and the brain. Moreover, modern lifestyle practices such as lack of exercise, inadequate sleep, and excessive alcohol consumption further exacerbate gut health issues. These factors collectively paint a grim picture for the future of gut health if left unaddressed. The impact on overall health. The gut microbiome is often referred to as the second brain, due to its influence on various bodily functions. A healthy gut microbiome supports digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function while also playing a role in mood regulation and mental health. Conversely, an imbalanced gut microbiome has been linked to a range of health problems, including obesity, diabetes, autoimmune diseases, and even neurological disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Therefore, the decline of gut health not only affects digestive health, but also poses significant risks to overall well-being. Navigating the challenges. While the current landscape may seem bleak, there is hope for preserving and restoring gut health. Here are some strategies to navigate the challenges. Dietary modifications. Adopting a balanced diet rich in fiber, fruits, vegetables, and fermented foods can promote a diverse and healthy gut microbiome. Limiting processed foods, sugar, and artificial additives is also crucial for gut health. Probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help restore gut balance, while prebiotics are fibers that nourish these beneficial bacteria. Incorporating probiotic-rich foods, like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi, as well as prebiotic foods, like garlic, onions, and bananas, can support gut health. Lifestyle changes. Managing stress through relaxation techniques, regular exercise, and adequate sleep can help mitigate its detrimental effects on gut health. Additionally, reducing alcohol intake and avoiding unnecessary antibiotic use can preserve the integrity of the gut microbiome. Supplements. In some cases, probiotic supplements may be beneficial, especially after antibiotic treatment or during periods of gastrointestinal distress. However, it's essential to choose high-quality supplements with strains proven to be effective for specific health concerns. Consultation with healthcare professionals. For individuals experiencing chronic gut issues or seeking personalized advice, consulting with a healthcare professional, such as a gastroenterologist or registered dietitian, is crucial. They can provide tailored recommendations and interventions based on individual needs and health status. Promotion of awareness and education. Increasing public awareness about the importance of gut health and its connection to overall well-being is essential. Educational initiatives, workshops, and campaigns can empower individuals to make informed choices about their diet, lifestyle, and healthcare decisions. Research and innovation. Continued research into the gut microbiome and its interactions with various aspects of health is crucial for developing new interventions and treatments. Innovation in probiotics, prebiotics, and gut health diagnostics can lead to more effective strategies for preserving and restoring gut health. Environmental considerations. Environmental factors, such as pollution and exposure to toxins, can also impact gut health. Addressing environmental issues and promoting sustainable practices can indirectly support gut health by reducing harmful exposures and preserving the ecosystem that supports a healthy microbiome. Community support and engagement. Building supportive communities where individuals can share experiences, knowledge, and resources related to gut health can foster a sense of belonging and motivation for positive change. Online forums, social media groups, and local wellness events can serve as platforms for community engagement and support. Cultivation of mind-body connection. Recognizing the intricate relationship between the gut and the brain highlights the importance of nurturing a healthy mind-body connection. Practices such as mindfulness, meditation, and yoga can promote relaxation, reduce stress, and positively influence gut health through the gut-brain axis. While the decline of gut health poses significant challenges, it's not the end of the road. By implementing dietary and lifestyle modifications, leveraging probiotics and prebiotics, and seeking guidance from healthcare professionals, individuals can take proactive steps to support and restore gut health. In doing so, we can pave the way for a healthier future, where gut health remains a cornerstone of overall well-being.